Hello everyone, I'm Tomás and I'm a mechanical engineering student here in Aveiro. I'm 18 years old and I'm here to basically show my kind of project that I've been trying to do for like 2 years, and now I've reached a point where I've gotten results. And I also would like to get some more opinions on the subject, because I don't really know how to make it better. I mean, I have some ideas, but it's not like the greatest ideas of all time. But basically, I'm here to show my project that I tried to come up with for the last maybe 2 years. It basically is kind of wind tunnel. It basically just shows the airflow going through things. That's the main objective, really. And for this, because I'm passionate about motorsport, race cars, motorcycles, that kind of stuff, I have with me these models. This is a Max Verstappen Abu Dhabi Grand Prix winner from 2022, a dominant car, the new 2022 regulations for Formula 1 with the Venturi tunnels right here. I also have here other models like the F175, also Formula 1. This one is from Carlos Sainz. You can see the Venturi tunnels are not like a lot different, because, well, why would a team reveal its secrets in a toy, pretty much? But there are some differences, and that's why I made this project. I would like to visualize airflow through mostly cars. So I've come up with the idea to use a ultrasonic humidifier. Needs to connect directly, but I've come up with the idea. This cost me like €1.50. I'm from Portugal, by the way, Aveiro. And this is a humidifier. This ejects vapor, but it is actually cold vapor because it's ultrasonic humidifier. So I've come up with the idea to use this as the airflow, and then I'm gonna use also a dehumidifier, which is the contrary. It sucks moist. So the dehumidifier is going to be used as the fan to pull the air, which makes the airflow just go kind of laminar. It won't go laminar because, well, it's a fan and it creates vortices, but it's the best I can do, really, because I'm not rich. And I'm using the dehumidifier because honestly I don't want to get cancer from vapes or cigarettes or e-cigarettes or something like that. That probably would be better in terms of airflow because it is smoke. But it's the solution I've come to terms with. It kind of works. I mean, it's not the best thing in the world, but it you can see things. So I'll put the images while I edit the video of the airflow going through the cars. And if you guys know some ways to improve the project, because that's mainly the objective of the video. I do want to share the project. I do want some opinions on the project. I want also to listen what others have to say about this subject and other ideas to make it better, to make the project flow better, or maybe cheaper as well, because I'm not rich. I'm a student. Yeah, let me know what you think. So I hope you liked it as much as I do, because I do think it's not the best thing in the world, but at least it is something that I've liked to do. It's something that I loved to do for 2 years, 3 years now, and I finally got some results. I finally got to something that I actually like and something that I actually can see, because the other attempts were not that great. But let me know your opinions, like and subscribe if you want to know more. I'll probably record another video once I get more opinions, once I get more ideas how to improve the project. And yeah, thank you.